these barcode transponders are ever increasingly replacing the battery operated ones for obvious reasons, because batteries go bad. So in Florida, we have these, the batteries, but they've replaced them now with these barcode ones. So in order to put the barcode transponder, what you want to do and how to place it, pretty much what you want to do is either put it on the left or the right. And you don't want it too far up to where the actual sunblock will actually block it, because then it might not be able to be read through the tolls. So what you want to do is maybe have it like a little bit to the right or to the left of your dash mirror. And what's going to happen is it'll go in this direction, and then of course the booth will ray down and then charge you from this. Now, so you can have it there after you peel it, or we can have it here. And probably a lot of people would prefer it there. Right there. On this way.
So to remove the back on it, it's not what you would think. Initially, I thought this was a sticker, and I kept going after this, but I realized there's like 3 different languages. It's actually right here on the top. So you want to turn it on the back, and you'll see that this actually comes off right here. And it's a thin piece of plastic. See there? And that peels off the back.
You, come here. Yes, you. I need your help. Come here. You see this right here? This wall's empty. I need a YouTube play button. In order for me to get a YouTube play button, I need 100,000 subscribers. I got what, 20, 30,000 right now? I need 100. I need you. Please, you to subscribe. You think my subscription doesn't help? Yes, it does. I need 100,000. I visualize what I want in this world. And what I want is a YouTube play button. I want a YouTube play button, and I need you to subscribe. You can help me. You can make your dreams come true. Just visualize it. Whatever you want in this world, you can have it. You can have all your dreams come true. I want you to help me make my dreams come true. All right? So please, please subscribe.